Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best oscillating multi-tools of 2025. These tools are perfect for cutting, sanding, scraping, and tackling all kinds of DIY projects. I'll walk you through each one, highlighting the key features and what makes them stand out. And just so you know, all the product links are in the description box below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Fine Multimaster MM500 Start Oscillating Kit. The Fine Multimaster MM500 Start Oscillating Kit is a professional-grade tool designed to meet the demands of interior construction, renovation, and finishing work. Known for its precision, durability, and user-friendly features, this oscillating tool kit delivers exceptional performance for both professionals and serious DIYers. At the heart of the MM500 is a high-performance 350W motor, engineered to provide consistent power and speed. This ensures efficient cutting, grinding, sanding, and scraping across a wide variety of materials. Its constant speed technology maintains optimal performance, even under heavy load, making it a reliable tool for demanding renovation projects. One of the standout features of this model is the StarLock Max tool mounting system, which offers superior versatility. With access to Fine's broad range of StarLock accessories, users can handle tasks ranging from precise plunge cuts to detailed sanding and grout removal. The secure mount also ensures maximum power transfer to the accessory for faster and cleaner results. To further enhance convenience, the MM500 is equipped with Fine's Quick-In Rapid Clamping system. This allows for tool-free accessory changes in under 3 seconds, minimizing downtime and improving workflow efficiency. This feature is especially valuable for contractors who switch between applications frequently during projects. Comfort is another area where the Fine Multimaster excels. Its anti-vibration design, featuring a self-supporting motor with vibration decoupling, drastically reduces both vibration and noise. This makes the tool easier to handle for extended periods, reducing fatigue and improving precision in detailed work. The kit also comes well-equipped for immediate use. Included are a backing pad, 12 sanding sheets, a universal E-Cut saw blade, an E-Cut long life saw blade, an E-Cut precision BM saw blade, and a durable nylon storage bag. These accessories make the MM500 ready to tackle a range of applications right out of the box. Overall, the Fine Multimaster MM500 Start Oscillating Kit is a robust and versatile solution for renovation professionals. With its powerful motor, quick-change system, reduced vibration, and comprehensive accessory set, it combines performance and comfort, making it an invaluable tool for any interior construction or remodeling project. Number 4. Hammerhead Oscillating Multi Tool. The Hammerhead 2.2 amp Oscillating Multi Tool is a reliable and versatile tool designed for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals tackling a wide variety of repair and renovation tasks. With its powerful motor, ergonomic design, and multifunction capability, this oscillating tool is built to make demanding jobs faster and easier. At the core of the HAMT-022 is a 2.2 amp motor that delivers up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, providing the speed and power needed for efficient cutting, trimming, sanding, and grinding. The variable speed dial allows users to fine-tune performance for different applications, whether it's precise sanding or aggressive cutting. Designed with comfort and control in mind, the tool features a compact body and ergonomic soft grip, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the soft start function ensures smoother operation, preventing sudden jolts when powering on. The universal collet system gives the Hammerhead compatibility with most standard oscillating multi-tool blades and accessories on the market. This versatility means users are not limited to proprietary attachments and can choose from a wide range of options for different tasks. Another standout feature is the integrated LED work light, which illuminates dark or hard-to-reach areas, ensuring precision even in low-light conditions. The HAMT-022 comes with a starter set of accessories, including 1 flush cut blade, 1 semicircle saw blade, 1 sanding pad, and 3 sanding papers, giving users the essentials to get started right away. Thanks to its versatility, this multi-tool is ideal for trimming door jambs, cutting flooring, removing caulking, chiseling hinges, scraping paint, and cabinet modifications. Whether used for home repairs or detailed renovation work, it eliminates the need for multiple specialty tools. Overall, the Hammerhead 2.2-amp oscillating multi-tool combines power, precision, and convenience in one affordable package. With its ergonomic design, wide compatibility, and included accessories, it's a practical solution for anyone looking to handle a variety of projects with a single tool. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit is a versatile, high-performance solution for cutting, sanding, grinding, and scraping applications. Designed for professionals and DIY users alike, this cordless oscillating tool combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver power, control, and convenience on the job site or at home. At its core, the DCS356C1 is powered by a brushless motor, which offers up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed alternatives. This efficiency ensures longer operation between charges and extended tool life, making it an ideal choice for demanding projects. A key feature of this model is the 3-speed selector, which allows users to choose the right speed setting for specific applications. Combined with the dual-grip variable speed trigger, this gives operators precise control over performance, whether they are making delicate cuts or powering through tougher materials. The quick-change accessory system adds to its convenience by allowing users to swap blades and attachments without the need for wrenches. Additionally, the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool accessories available on the market, making it a flexible option for users who already own accessories from other brands. For enhanced visibility, especially in dark or confined spaces, the tool is equipped with a bright LED work light, which helps users achieve accurate cuts even in challenging environments. The DCS356C1 kit comes ready for use with a complete set of essentials. It includes 2 blades, a battery, a charger, a universal accessory adapter, and a durable kit bag for easy transport and storage. Practical and efficient, the DeWalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit is an all-in-one solution for cutting, sanding, trimming, and detailed finishing work. With its brushless motor, versatile speed settings, quick-change system, and included accessories, it delivers a balance of power and precision that makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 2. Makita XMT03Z18V LXD Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita XMT03Z18V LXD Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool is a professional-grade solution that delivers corded power with the freedom of cordless convenience. Designed for remodelers, carpenters, plumbers, floor installers, and general contractors, this tool combines performance, comfort, and versatility for a wide range of applications. Equipped with a variable speed control dial, 6,000 to 20,000 OPM, the XMT03Z allows users to match speed precisely to the task at hand, whether it's fine sanding, aggressive cutting, or grout removal. A 3.2 degrees oscillation angle provides faster and more aggressive performance, making it highly effective for demanding jobs. Convenience and ease of use are built into its design. The large on-off slide switch with lock-on button ensures comfortable operation during extended tasks, while the small diameter barrel grip, just 2.3/8, provides excellent handling and control. Makita has also engineered this model with reduced vibration and lower noise, improving comfort and precision over long work sessions. As part of the Makita 18V LXD Lithium-Ion series, the world's largest cordless tool lineup powered by 18V slide-style batteries, the XMT03Z benefits from industry-leading battery technology. When paired with a Makita 18V LXD 3.0 Ah battery, sold separately, it delivers up to 20 minutes of continuous run time, with rapid recharge capability that minimizes downtime. The XMT03Z also includes adapters for compatibility with most competitive accessories, ensuring flexibility with blades and attachments from other brands. This makes it an adaptable choice for professionals who already own a range of oscillating tool accessories. Ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, grout removal, and more, the Makita XMT03Z cordless multi-tool offers a blend of power, runtime, and ergonomic design. By delivering corded-level performance without the cord, it stands out as a versatile and reliable tool for tradespeople who demand efficiency and portability on every job. Number 1. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Oscillating. The Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is engineered for professionals who demand power, speed, and durability in a compact, cordless design. With advanced features and a high-performance motor, this multi-tool offers the versatility needed to handle cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal tasks with ease. At its core, the F4111-1A is powered by the Flex Advantage system, which delivers 20% more power with 24V lithium technology, 25% longer runtime with Thermatec heat management, and up to 50% faster charging thanks to its high-power dual-fan charger. This combination ensures maximum productivity with less downtime. The sensor-free brushless motor eliminates friction and is optimized for efficiency, delivering consistent performance for tough applications. Capable of reaching up to 20,000 oscillations per minute (OPM), it enables fast and precise cutting across a wide range of materials. Comfort and usability are top priorities with this tool. The vibration suppression system helps isolate the user from tool vibrations, reducing fatigue during extended use. The 3D Starlock connection enhances power transfer from the motor to the blade, ensuring optimal cutting performance. Additionally, the keyless blade eject system allows for safe, tool-free blade changes without touching hot blades, saving time and improving safety. For added convenience, an integrated LED light illuminates dark or confined workspaces, improving accuracy and visibility. The kit includes a 2.5Ah lithium-ion battery and a 160W fast charger, both cross-compatible with all Flex 24V tools, batteries, and chargers. This flexibility makes it easy for users to expand their tool collection without needing multiple battery systems. To top it off, Flex offers a limited lifetime warranty when registered within 30 days of purchase through December 31st, 2025, giving buyers long-term confidence in their investment. Overall, the Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for professionals and serious DIYers. With its advanced motor technology, vibration suppression, quick blade changes, and cross-compatibility, it's built to handle demanding tasks while delivering maximum convenience and performance.